We're here at the Discover the Local Advantage Business Expo show for the Lancaster Chamber of Commerce 2010. And we're speaking with Desiree, Brian, and Chris. And it's a family-run company called High Tech Concrete Coatings. And Desiree, I wonder if you could start out giving us a little background on your company and how you all got started.
Well, we're a family business, been in business for over 30 years. We started off as a janitorial company, and we sort of found a niche with floor coatings.
Okay.
So with all of the lots of floors out here in Lancaster County, it was a nice place to settle to do floor coatings, and that's a lot of the pictures that we have shown here are the floor surfaces that we've applied in the area and throughout the region.
I wonder, perhaps, Chris, maybe you can tell us a little bit about some of these floors. Maybe if we can, some of the floors that you've done, looks like probably at the airport, I would gather.
Martin's corporate hangar down in Maryland.
Oh, okay.
This is at the same airport right here. It's for the Baltimore City Police. This is actually in Dulles, Virginia, for Dulles Jet Center. And then this one here is more of our industrial type floor for manufacturing and processing and stuff like that. It's a clear coating, and also here too. Very durable coating.
Now, what is unique about this? Obviously, it's something more than paint here.
Well, it's epoxy, and it's also urethane coatings that go down. You have to prep the floor right with shop blasting as a form of prep, and also we do, in conjunction with that, diamond grinding with a planetary grinder. It's about 32 inches wide, and that's how we prep it. Then we put the epoxy down, and the urethane is good for chemical resistance, whereas the epoxy isn't too much.
I see.
So, and it also makes it look nice too.
Yeah.
After time.
Well, they definitely look beautiful, and I gather that these will last a lot longer than most other floorings you could have in these kind of environments.
Yeah, it helps a lot with the dusting, and it's got good foot traction.
Great.
And it's great for wearing for forklift traffic and stuff like that. So.
Okay, so now we've seen the commercial jobs, some of the commercial work that High Tech does, and I have Brian with me here to tell us a little bit about some of your residential work.
Okay, this is a business that we just started to get into. It's called Eurotech, and it is concrete stabilization, which is industrial, commercial, and residential. And if you have concrete slabs that have fallen, it will pick those up. Also, soils, it remediates soils to stabilize it. And actually, this is a product they actually use on highways, like they've used on Route 78. So trucks can go over it, and it's a very durable product. And it's something we think is going to turn into something pretty big for us.
Well, there you have it. Thank you very much, Chris, and Desiree, and Brian, and a family-run business here in Lancaster County called High Tech Concrete Coatings. And thank you for watching from the Discover the Local Advantage Chamber of Commerce Business Expo 2010.